Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the basics so adjustments behave predictably. Turn the key, verify battery voltage, and inspect the spark plug gap, because weak spark masks RPM changes. Clean or replace the air filter and ensure fuel flows freely. Clogged intake alters sound. Once the engine is warm and stable, set a baseline idle with the throttle stop and tachometer attached so you can hear and measure changes as you proceed. Now you refine the sources of the RPM sound. If you have a carb, slowly adjust the air/fuel mixture and pilot screw while you blip the throttle. On EFI, use diagnostics to trim fueling. Make sure throttle cable free play is correct so the butterfly responds smoothly. Next, listen for exhaust leaks or restrictive baffles. Sealing leaks and changing baffle position alters resonance and attack. Keep checking the tach as you finish by confirming changes under load. Take a measured ride, holding steady throttle through different RPM bands and noting the sound shift. Tighten mounts and clamps, recheck the fuel map or carb settings, and confirm ignition timing so the note is consistent and safe. If you hear popping, bogging, or unstable idle, stop and revert the most recent tweak. Then inspect for vacuum leaks, misfires, or a clogged air pathway, because those issues mimic bad tuning and spoil the RPM sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.